Oklahoma's new immigration law, House Bill 4156, has drawn a stern warning from the U.S. Department of Justice. The DOJ contends that the law is unconstitutional and infringes on federal authority over immigration enforcement. This clash between state and federal power has sparked a legal firestorm with wide-ranging implications. The DOJ's intervention signals a significant development in the ongoing debate over immigration policy in the United States. The Biden administration has made it clear that it will challenge any attempts to undermine its authority on immigration matters. This case serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance of power between states and the federal government. The outcome of this legal battle could significantly impact immigration enforcement across the country, setting a precedent for future state-federal conflicts. Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt has remained defiant in the face of the DOJ's warning, vowing to defend the law in court. Stitt, a Republican, has made cracking down on illegal immigration a cornerstone of his administration. He argues that the federal government has failed to adequately address the issue, leaving states like Oklahoma to take matters into their own hands. Stitt has accused the Biden administration of overreach and vowed to fight any attempts to overturn the will of Oklahoma voters. Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond, also a Republican, has echoed Stitt's sentiments, stating that the state is prepared to mount a vigorous legal defense of House Bill 4156. Drummond argues that the law is a legitimate exercise of the state's police powers to protect its citizens and resources. He maintains that the law does not conflict with federal immigration law, but rather complements it by addressing specific concerns within Oklahoma's borders. "We are a nation of laws, and Oklahoma has the right to enact measures that protect our citizens and our resources," Drummond said in a statement. "This law is about upholding the rule of law and ensuring the safety and well-being of all Oklahomans." He further emphasized that the state is not attempting to create its own immigration system, but rather to cooperate with federal authorities in enforcing existing laws. The defiant stance of Oklahoma's top officials reflects the deep partisan divide over immigration policy in the United States. Republican-led states, particularly those along the southern border, have increasingly sought to implement their own immigration enforcement measures in response to what they perceive as federal inaction. This trend has led to numerous legal challenges and court battles, with the federal government consistently asserting its supremacy in matters of immigration. At the heart of the legal battle over Oklahoma's immigration law is the principle of preemption, a cornerstone of the U.S. Constitution. The Supremacy Clause establishes that federal law is the supreme law of the land, taking precedence over any conflicting state laws. The DOJ argues that House Bill 4156 is preempted by federal immigration law, which grants the federal government exclusive authority to regulate immigration matters. Oklahoma maintains that its law falls within the state's police powers, allowing states to protect the health, safety, and welfare of their residents. Legal experts anticipate a protracted legal battle, with the case potentially reaching the Supreme Court. The outcome could have significant implications for the balance of power on immigration enforcement. Special announcement: we're currently facing shadow banning on YouTube. Your likes and subscriptions can help us combat this. Stand up for free speech and help protect the free exchange of ideas online. Thank you for your support.